Petals of their bruised and torn. Roots beneath the earth feel worn. The storm is loud, but it's a song. The dark, it wraps around the sea. Whispers grow, whispers need. Flowers need the rain too. Pressure makes the colors true. In the shadow, in the night, we find our way, we find the light. Cracks in soil, they drink the pain. Broken sky.